Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. So let's check in on Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash finally did trigger this double bottom, still remained a double bottom. We didn't get back below the 75% level before it was triggered. We essentially got right to it, but this did remain double bottom, triggered, then pulled back. Didn't hit the stop reduction level. By the way, the initial stops are a close below 1566 or a move below 1550 would invalidate this pattern. We're still waiting for it to get to 1711, 1743, then 1776. Nothing else has changed on the upside. Let's check in on the daily chart just to see how it's going. Right now, the 8 EMA is pretty much lining up with the second target, that's 1743, just above it. So that's going to be the critical target for this. Taking a look at Bitcoin Gold. Oh boy, so let me just move that trend line. Okay, Bitcoin Gold, as you see, is not closed above 195.55, so this is not triggered. Still a valid pattern, but nothing else to do. Just sitting in this consolidation pretty much between our two key Gann levels recently, you know, this 181 and 193. If it breaks below 181, then watch for a first retest about 174 and then a retest of 169. And then if it triggers, the same targets are in place. Let's check in on the daily chart for that. The 8 is coming down closer to the trigger point, so that's important to keep in mind. And we'll see if when the 8 actually gets closer to these bars, if it does push the price lower and we begin to retest some of these lows from recently. Bitcoin Cash, you see, hit the stop reduction level. When we do hit stop reduction, then we come up to the 30 on a close below the 37.5 pattern for these on the when they're lower volatility. It's 10,682, so that was moved up. Then it hit the first level, so then essentially then it's your choice. You keep the stop there or move the stop to break even, depending on what you're doing if you didn't take it all at the first level. Remember, we said the second one, due to it being in the wicks, was the lower probability target. This was the higher probability target, so the 11,798 was lower because we have an end of a clear path in front of that, which is essentially where it reached to. Now it's pulled back, retested the breakout area, and turning back up. So if you're still holding some, you can still watch for this as 11,798, or you should at least be trailing up a stop at this point. Now, if we do get up to this other target, we will have a really quick potential trade just up to about the 12,070. I'd really focus on the 12,000 level though. And the major target area on a strong run-up would be around 12,469 to 12,543. Let's check in on the daily chart. See that upper targets I just mentioned, they match up with the top of the declining rotation zone, so that's going to be major resistance up there. But keep in mind this 21 is going to keep declining, so watch for that if you don't check in with our videos. That's what we have for you on the quick Bitcoin update. We will talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.